Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I don't know what is happening, but it's Friday again. We can we can say at least that another week is gone. Christmas is almost here, so let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, morning Bukur, morning Peep, morning Hanya. If you want to help us out, well, repost that tweet you have in the message. I think I posted already. Yeah, I'll post again. So that will help us to get to reach more people. Now, let's not stay too much on Twitter and other stuff. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Please tell me why everyone is panicking. I don't get it. I saw a lot of panic last night. A lot of it. Could be a sign. Well, let's look at Bitcoin on... This is 4-hour chart, but I think daily is better. What is about to panic? Why we should panic here? I don't get it. Normal price action, back in the range, fighting 100k again. Yeah, also sometimes it's still is lagging a little bit. You have to refresh. I don't know what is happening. Probably the internet connection. But we should be okay. YouTube is telling me that the connection is good. Morning, Abdullah. Morning. Why everyone is panicking? Again, same question. Look at the price action. Nothing special. Dark maul candle. We tested the highs. We can test the lows. Still fighting 100k. So on Bitcoin, I don't see any panic signs. Even if we go on weekly chart. Not even if we go here on weekly chart at 73 is not a panic reason. We are still in a bull market and we are still pushing higher. This is a Wyckoff check. That will destroy some altcoins. Yeah, short term, definitely. But if you still have money at that point in time to buy them, well, that will be something to see in the market. People, don't panic. Don't. It's just bull market volatility. I said it yesterday on Twitter and everywhere. It's just bull market volatility. We can go from 100k to 80k to 70k and still be in a bull market. Just look at the chart. Expect increasing volatility. It's that simple. Now, on weekly, still, we don't have too many signs. A potential here, but just imagine what will take for us to confirm this bearish divergence here, this potential one. Ooh, take some time. OBV, still strong, people. Look at OBV. Damn strong. So, I don't see why we should cancel the bull market. On lower time frame, yeah, we have a retracement and we got some stop losses maybe, and we should have a lot of fills on altcoins. Yeah. If you respected what we discussed here, look at the green list. It's bigger now. Just look at it. It's a lot bigger. And probably if I scan again, I could find even more of them getting the level. Back on daily. We are exactly in the middle of the range. We have some support here. I'm expecting a bounce. I'm already long on 4-hour chart or 1 hour. You can call it that way. Look at this one. Yeah, Mountain Man. We are in a long trade if you took it. Okay, if you didn't took it, I don't know. It's up to you. But on daily here, we are in the middle of the range. It's an ugly location to do anything. So if we'll test the lows 94, that's a buying opportunity. 92, even better. Here, I forced a little bit with a mountain man setup, but it's the best I can do. Here. Nothing else I can do on Bitcoin. Now, if we'll go on Ethereum, for example, well, Ethereum lost this level, and we have kind of an AM here. What's the next support? Well, we are already in the next support, 3,000, 300 here, 300, 400 kind of idea. You can see we have a support. Will this support hold? Let's hope so. If not, the next one it's at the big fat round number, $3,000. If that one will not hold, well, then we have a problem. We'll retest 2,800. That will be a bear market. Well, maybe just on short term for Ethereum and some altcoins. But overall, I'll just call it increased volatility here. Justin Son just unstaked some Ethereum, and look what happened. Well, what do you think he did with his Ethereum? Maybe he has better plays. Maybe he's buying something else. Who the fuck knows? Anyway, overall, we are in a range here. We cannot call it a downtrend here. Now we have a slightly higher high. Now we have a slightly lower low here. I don't like the fact that we closed below this low, but I think we have a range now. Between, for the moment, between $3,400 and $4,000. Big range. Let's just wait and see what will happen. This one should bounce pretty fast. If you manage to get an entry on Ethereum, should bounce. But it's still crypto. It's still just a setup if you manage to take one. So put a nice stop loss there and respect the stop loss. Can you guys still hear me, or I'm speaking by myself here? No, I think you can hear me. From time to time I see YouTube lagging a little bit, but nothing special. Okay. Okay, Bukur, thank you. So, that's Ethereum. Now, another interesting chart we should take a look every time, it's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And what we said a couple of days ago, even yesterday we discussed this one, people. Nothing special here. Nothing special. We discussed this level yesterday. Okay? And I said, well, we moved straight up. We have 38.2. If this level will not hold, we should expect a reload zone below 61.8. And we are there. Now we should look on 4-hour chart or even on daily, a W. Again, don't be bearish here. I don't know. I'm just a stupid trader and I'm trying to tell you over and over again the same message. The rest is up to you, people. The rest is up to you. I prepared you in a weird way for this one. I said, well, this is the area where we want to think long on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's not okay to be bearish, not even at the 004, but here it's stupid. This could be the big W we are waiting for on weekly chart. I'm not saying it is. Could be. We have this inverse empire 3-bar fractal bottom, which is a strong signal because it's on weekly. And now we're retesting that level. We can accept at 78.6 and push lower. Yeah, of course we can. But that will give us the next potential, which is a inverse head and shoulder. For the moment, we can create a nice W. You can see the red line here. If we'll do this one, that will be a big weekly W. People want to buy now an altcoin or anything they buy, and in 5 minutes to go to the all-time high. To buy with $100 in 2 days to make 100K. Not possible, people. Market is going up, is going down. If you invest, you should your time horizon should be 3-5 years. Well, let's say it's crypto and we are in a bull market and we can make it in 6 months maybe. if your timing is really nice. But people expecting a couple of days, I don't know. Back on daily. You can see what we have here. Waiting for a W. 4-hour chart, no W yet. But I bet, it's the first time I look today on this one, but I bet we have some bullish divergence here. Yeah, not yet. So we can still wait. If we'll touch 78.6 from this range, that will be a nice area to have a W. Honestly, I thought that we have some bullish divergence here. Nah, there you go, 1 hour only. Good enough. I'll not complain about that. You can see the potential divergence on RSI. And even on OBV. It's something. Not too much, but it's something. Back on daily. So, again, don't be bearish here. If I say don't be bearish on Ethereum, that means probably don't be bearish on altcoins at this point, no? Okay. That's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Now I think Bitcoin dominance is the next one we should take a look. Again, we put 3 scenarios here. Green one, the easiest one, yellow one, and red one. We are on yellow for the moment. We touched 61.8 yesterday, last night. We can do a week to 60%? Of course we can. We are talking crypto here. Will that invalidate the yellow scenario? No. If we'll close and we'll stay above 60% and they have to push the market to the all-time highs here on Bitcoin dominance for me to see the red one. For the moment, yellow is valid, and it's valid if we'll reach 60, if we'll reach a bit above, and so on. If we'll close above 61.50, then there, yeah, we can have a problem. But for the moment, yellow is valid. Green, it's out. Why? Green was 38.2, 50%. And you can see we are closing strong above that level. Green is done. Now we are talking about yellow scenario. Level by level, we'll play the market. If we'll see an EM here, then we can assume that altcoins will bounce. Let's see a 4-hour chart. Nothing special. We can form an EM here. We can form some potential divergence here. But for the moment, no. Let's see what will happen next. Okay. That's Bitcoin dominance. Let's go back on daily. So we talked Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's look at total. And remember what we said about the green here. Retesting 3 trillion is nothing bad. I don't like that we'll close below this level, but on total market cap I could see something interesting happening here. So that it's a tell that maybe we are thinking too bearish. Even me. Yeah? We have equal lows here. And we took the equal lows, took the liquidity on total, and we are pushing higher. Maybe it's enough. I don't have any way to know that. But watch out what is happening in this level. My classic thinking is, well, okay, we'll retest 3 trillion. We'll make a nice W or a 3-bar fractal bottom and we'll pump. But maybe we'll never reach that level. We'll pump from here. Let's see. Slow and steady. Total 3. Similar. We took the equal. That wasn't the equal. But this was a lower low. So kind of a 3-bar fractal bottom anyway. But looking left, we have a support here. Not the strongest one. Not the biggest one. But a support. We kind of completed the AB equals CD. Now let's wait and see what will happen. If we'll push all the way down to 800 to touch Mountain Man in the long reload zone, well, will not be a nice scenario short term, but still valid uptrend market. on higher time frame, weekly chart, kind of. Okay, so that's the overview what we have here. You can see my list here is damn long list. I'll go on weekly and let's see some levels, because not too many things you can do on day trading for the moment. Okay, so look at alt. We have one level, we'll get probably the second one, or we are close to get the second level. Why I told you a couple of days ago, and I repeat it, don't market buy, don't wait to market buy, put some limit orders. First of all, you are tempted to panic and you will not buy when you should buy. It's easier to put the limit orders there and just wait. Second, professional traders work with limit orders, not market buying. It's that simple. Ape, well, we just reached that level, you can see it. Look at Astr, ISTR, 78.6. It's 78.6 a good location to think long on altcoins? I think it is. ATA, similar, retesting, textbook retest of the weekly W's, not W's. There are many W's there. Bake, similar, 78.6 weekly W, kind of short W here, 4 candles, but it's what we get. Combo, same. This one touched perfect the level. Dimension is pushing the lows. Is trying to get $1 again? Possibly. I don't know how deep will go. I'm not Nostradamus to tell you that, but I tell you that it's a good location in my opinion. That I could tell. Gas, look at this one. Textbook retest. Look at GMT. Really nice retest of the W's. Most of them, they are looking really, really nice. People, I know it's hard. That's why you should, not that's why. Idea is, it's hard to buy when you're supposed to buy, when you should buy to make money. If it will be easy, everyone will buy these levels. It's hard and supposed to be hard. You have a plan, you know when you want to buy, execute your plan. If you don't have a plan, well, go and do one. You don't buy the tops and try to make money. You buy the bottoms. You buy the retests. That's when you make money. When you buy, not when you are trying to buy the top. I know it's hard. It's hard for me also, but we have to force ourselves to do it. If you are not buying a 78.6 retracement and a weekly W, why you are here? Go do something else. Look at this one. Similar. Look at high. Similar price action. Kava. Textbook consolidation, weekly W, breakout with volume and retest. Just look at it. You should buy at this point in time with a lot of money and expect until noon to have 10x? No. But if you put 1% here on Kava and you wait a couple of months, you can get 80 cents and sell half on a double and get a free position. Your money back in your pocket and a lot of coins for free. Yeah, it's possible, probable even. It's easy to do. No, it's not. Look at Lina. Similar. Luna. Yeah, I know Luna is dead. Okay, don't buy this one. Buy something else. I'll buy it. Magic. Mavia. Huh? It's a stupid game on the phone. Okay, I get it, but it's something. It's at $1. I'm not saying to sell your house to buy Mavia. Put something in it if you like it. If you don't do it. I'm not a financial advisor. Mina. First level touched. Second is next. No way to know. But we can put a order there. Yep. MTL. Mubi. Testing the lows. Multi-byte. I don't know if this one will succeed, but I think we'll pump with everything else in the bull market. Similar here. You can see we touched and we are bouncing. Look at OMG, similar price action. ONT, open. Pixel. Pixel is looking really nice. Look at the W's breakout textbook. It's exactly what we wanted. And people are calling me in the morning, well, it's over. Well, no, it's just the beginning. Look at peer. You didn't like peer at $5. Now it's at $3. Buy it if you want. If you don't want, don't buy it. REN. Because of Binance, it's testing the lows. It's a buying opportunity. I think so. I know for sure. No. Sorry. Nothing for sure here. RES. Similar. RLC. We just tested the support and we bounced a little bit. SSV. Coming back down at $20. What's almost $40? $35. We could buy this one here. Yeah, I think so. We can make some money on it. STX. A lot of them. TIA. $5 again. A lot of them. They are retesting the weekly W's. Just look at them. They are waiting for you to buy it. Even Monero had a dip to $150 last night. Zen is leading the way. You can see we touched the level last week. Now we dipped, but not strong enough. And look at it. This one is telling us, well, look at me. You will see the rest of altcoins doing the fucking same. And they all pump. So Zen is leading the way. And you can see here, we have some deeper ones, like Alpha, not ready yet. I have limit orders on all of them, people, waiting to get filled. Similar. IXS. I don't know if this game will ever recover, but I think we'll pump with everything else. If they'll get some hype behind them this cycle also, well, they could really pump. Well, we can look on all the entire list and we can see the same. Well, people think that it's over, Andre. Some people, I'm joking. DYDX. We had it at $1. I said then, well, it's a W, buy it. No, we don't like this one. Then it reached almost $3. And now it's back at 1.4, 1.5. Retesting the weekly W. Now, people, nothing more than that I can do. I'm trying to tell you every day the same message because I think this is the correct message. After all, the decision is yours. I'm just a guy blabbing away on the internet. I'm not a financial advisor. It's totally up to you. Some of you are already tired of hearing me day in, day out saying the same message. Some of you didn't get the message. I said the same when Bitcoin was at 20K. I said about altcoins when they are the lowest. Nothing more than that I can do. Now is in my view, is the last moment. The weekly W retest is the last moment of higher time frame when you can buy. When you can have a good level to buy. It's that simple. So, now let's look at the lower time frame. Let's see what we have. Yesterday, everyone was doing stuff here. I said, I think the best is Mountain Man and Shark. And you can see, we touched the Mountain Man. Violent move down. I managed to get at 1-to-1 and the first dump here, almost 1-to-1, and I said let's make it a free position because it's too violent. Okay, and you can see we are still trying to consolidate, to decide if it's enough, 61.8, and we'll push higher, or we'll go to 78.6. I'm in a risk-free position. Yeah. So I'm just waiting there to see what will happen. 78.6, I'll play it with 1%. This one is a smaller one, this is a bigger one. If this one will fail, it's strange to say now that this one will fail. I don't know if it will fail. I don't think it will fail, but sometimes it's crypto, sometimes it's happening. Usually shark, it's a really nice trade. If this one will fail, I'll also play the SFU at 90k. If the market will touch this level, I'll try to play an SFU. Any reclaim back above that 90k will be a buying opportunity for me. So I'll play, I'm in the mountain man, I'll play the shark, and I'll play the SFU also. Simple as that. On Ethereum, let's see Ethereum on 1 4-hour chart. Where is Ethereum? I had it here. Okay. He's trying to do something here. Will succeed? I don't know. Let's go on 4-hour chart and see what we have. Now you can see how good our sell here. AB equals D complete. We sold close to the target, and we kept a moon back. I still have that 25%. It's still in the market. Stop loss at scratch. If we'll touch 3,127, then will stop me out on the rest, on that moon buy. If not, no. We had some day trades. 1 or 2 of them failed already. So when the market is retracing and you are in a long setup, will fail. The important thing is to overall be profitable. That's my 2 cents. Ethereum here, okay, we can do something. We can consider this consolidation and these lows here, for example, swing low and take the swing high, and we can do something like this. That is giving us a nice location. Looking left, we have a support. So hunting on 4-hour or even on 1-hour chart W's here on Ethereum is not a bad thing. Okay, so it's a good thing to hunt long ideas here in the long reload zone. You should wait for W's? I think so. It's kind of dangerous outside of crypto. Let's call it that way. Nothing in crypto. It's not about crypto. This dump is not about crypto. And that's why I'm thinking that we'll bounce fast and first. This is my 2 cents. So nothing bad about Ethereum that is dropping from 4,000 to 3,300. No, it's not about Ethereum. It's about other traditional market or overall things outside of crypto. Justin Son maybe participated a little bit, had some inside and sold the top there, local top, hoping that could buy 25-30% lower. For him, 25-30% lower, it's a lot of money, people. Okay, so Solana, let's take a look at Solana and then we can talk about the rest. Solana, the same. Some FUD about Solana, okay, I get it. We can push a bit lower, yes. It's a good opportunity to buy here. I don't see the support here. I think we can attack this big candle on 4-hour chart. You can see this one. This is my 2 cents. Somal meme coins. Julian posted about this one here in the dump. He told us why he thinks this one is good. And he was right. And we made some money. Some of us made some money. Another ugly thing is this one. Ugly posts from this one. But it's at the bottom. I'll put a coffee on it at 278k market cap. Yeah. Could pump? Of course he can. He's active, he's posting. It's strange what he's posting, but people love strange things. So I'll not sell my house, but I'll buy with coffee money. If will pump really nicely, I'll be more than happy. Okay, Ray, we talked about this one, or Bocian talked about this one yesterday. Indeed, he told me here, I bought the retest, we bought this one here. We made some nice money. I sold at 75, 74, everything. I'll admit I sold everything. It was too fast, too high. I didn't like it. And I learned my lesson. Made nice money on it. I'm hoping that I could load lower. Yeah. But I made nice money here. Not 10x, but I made nice money with this one. Why I sold everything? Well, was kind of a AB equals CD completing here in this area, and usually we get a retracement. Already a big cap. You can see 60 million market cap, 75, 74, 70 something here was a bit too much in my opinion. And indeed, from 80k we dumped. Where we have support, well, we have here at 5 cents, in this area 4 or 5 cents, and I could see the market doing a fake out to test 61.8 and this level, and then to push higher. If that will be the case, I'll load again. Now let's go back on the other template and try to take some requests. Let's look in the chat. So what we have, Andrei is saying about likes. Well, people, if you like this content, hit the like button. Yeah, I prefer you going on Twitter and retweeting. I posted the tweet, I think. So if you want to help out, retweet this one. That will give us a bigger reach, and your friends will see it, and some of them will join. Now, requests. Someone said something about ZK, please. Okay. What I can say here about this one. Let's clean it up, first of all. Let's fucking clean it up. We don't need all this noise. Second of all, we are on daily. We don't need weekly here because we don't have enough history. Volume profile. Well, look at it. Okay? You can see the volume profile, the POC is at 15 cents. We are close to that level. Now, let's hide that one. We don't need that one either for the moment. Swing high, swing low. Classic, people. Why we should overcomplicate things when we can play classic? Long reload zone starts from 15 cents. And the 78.6 is at 12 cents. And we have some liquidity there. My scenario is that this one will go here and will make a W. I could see an AB equals CD playing out in that direction. Okay? You can see 61.8, AB equals CD, and we don't have bullish divergence here on daily, not yet. On 4-hour chart, maybe yes, maybe no, but when we'll reach, after we'll reach 61.8, we have location, and then we can look for the next one. We can look for the indicator confirmation, and then we can hunt some W's. Okay, so let's go on 4-hour chart a little bit. You can see the market is still dropping, and no bullish divergence, not yet. So what this tells me? Tells me that I should wait at least at 61.8 here in this support area. So yeah, I'll buy this one if we'll reach in the long reload zone and we'll make a W. For investors, well, you can look on the weekly. We don't have enough history, but we have enough for weekly Ws. And you can see first weekly W was here. This is the level, okay? And the second weekly W made the W neckline here. Let's zoom out. So you have one order at 15 cents and another order at 13 cents, and you're good to go, depending on what you want. Okay, just my 2 cents about this one. If you are wanting day trading kind of stuff, you don't have the best location there, I'll tell you that. Okay, next one. Let's see what we have. FED. Okay, let's take a look at FED. FED. Binance, FED. Well, it's coming back to Papa, Catalin. You know, I said multiple times here. We had a trade here. We had a weekly W the other side of this trend line. And we played that one. $2.2. Now it's coming back. Well, the hype on AI, it's kind of not so strong anymore. What you can do here on weekly? Well, on weekly you can do one thing, something like this. And you can see we touched 61.8. Let me zoom out. Okay. So if we take this low, let's hide this smaller one. We'll do another one. So from the low to the high, and you can see you are at 61.8. It's a good level? I think it is. So as an investor, you can buy it. You have a weekly W here, a big one. If you want lower time frame stuff, well, okay, let's take it level by level. AB equals CD completing now on FED. Some support reached here. Okay. We are in the long relow zone 61.8. Okay. If you will draw this swing low, swing high, you are deep in the long relow zone. Okay. We can do it again. Take this one. You are at 78.6, even lower. Okay. So you have 2 long relow zones, 3 long relow zones there, which is really nice as a location. I think you should wait for the next W here on daily or 4-hour chart. Even 4-hour chart is good enough. But give me a W breakout and retest, or a W at least. I don't see anything special. Okay? We don't see bullish divergence. We don't see Ws. So let's wait. It's that simple. If we'll see bullish divergence, if we'll see 4-hour chart Ws, then we can think about, well, let's hunt some long ideas. That's my opinion, Catalin. Okay. Hedera. Well, let's take a look at what Hedera will be. Hedera on Binance. What do you want to do with this one? It's strong. Let's clean it up a little bit. Okay, people, it's strong. I get it. It's nice. It pumped, but you cannot chase. You can do something like this. Take this. They are too close. Let's do something like this. Well, look at 78.6 here. Well, no, it's too far away. We'll never reach that level. Well, you want to make a bet? We don't have a clear weekly W here. Oh, okay, we have the monthly one, the big one. Okay. What, you think we can go back down here in this environment at, I don't know, 15 cents, 10 cents, and then make another W on weekly? I think we can. I'll chase here at 27 cents. Nah, not even thinking about it. Could go to the moon. Okay. Good luck. I'm not touching something like that. So, retesting this level could be a nice buying opportunity. Now, let's put the volume. And the volume says, there you go. A lot lower than 78.6. There is the big volume. Yeah, I know big volume is there, but it's in coins. I know. It's normal. But it's still there. That's the area. You can see. We have a step here and another step here. So starting accumulating at 11 cents, not a bad thing. Okay. Chasing here, nah, don't even think about it. Daily, nah, no. I can see on daily chart you have some support here in the long reload zone. If we'll pump, something will happen. We'll pump without us, so be it. We'll adjust our long reload zone and we'll draw it from higher, and that's it. Simple as that, people. Simple as that. Okay, that being said, well, we are just looking at that one, Andre. That's Hedera. That's the one. You want me to look at weekly? Okay. Well, that's the one. 10 cents and below. Yeah, had some news, I don't know, pumped really nicely, okay. But if you want to buy it at 10 cents, if you want to sell it, you have it from the 10 cents, you want to sell it, why the fuck you should do that? You don't know what will happen, just keep it. Your plan was to sell it. Your plan was to sell it in the top, no? We are in the top? No. Well, if you are not in the top, don't sell it there. Well, that was the last one, people. 40 minutes, I think, is more than enough. Stefan is doing other things today, so I'll do the live stream on VIP. I'll try to find some setups. Not an easy job today, because we need to see Bitcoin staying, and then we can find some setups on altcoins. Until then, it's kind of dangerous. But I'll do my best. Okay, people. Take care. Zoom out. Stay on weekly chart if you are an investor or you are trying to be an investor. And try to make some money, some real money, investing, not scalping on 5-minute chart and panicking every time the market is dipping 5%, 10%. Okay? If you are a day trader, then you have a different approach. You have a fucking stop loss. That will keep you out of trouble. Don't mix the two. Either you are an investor and you are zooming out, either you are a trader and you are working with stop losses and 1% per trade. Okay? Doing stupid mistakes in this environment, this volatile environment, and wicks and tails and 10% retracement and 20% retracement could destroy your account. It's not easy. Maybe you worked 6 months to build an account, and in one fucking mistake you can lose it all. It's simple to lose it, easy to lose the money. You want to learn how to trade, how to swing trade, how to position trade, how to invest? I'm waiting you in the couple one. We still have, not too many, but we still have some places to fill there. I'm accepting 20 people. We'll start in the beginning of 2025. The price, it's laughable. Yeah, because you get 1 year premium membership, you get Holy Grail algo for life, and you get the couple one program. I'll push it too hard? No. But if you want to learn, that's the best deal you can make. It's below $1,000. Well, let's call it 1,000. It's cheap. But when I'll reach 20 people, or actually when I'll reach 20 people, I think I'll just I'll say loud that we closed and we can start the next one. We'll start in January or February at least, because I didn't finish with this program yet. They are in practical part, reviewing their trades. So, still a couple of weeks to go on them. 1-2 weeks. I know that when the market is pumping, everyone is a trader, but that will not last too long and you'll wake up. You'll have to learn the process. Okay, let's not talk too much. We have more than half an hour. See you guys now. I think we'll see you between Christmas and New Year, because Sunday we don't have the weekly crypto review. Monday and Tuesday I'll not live stream. I'll post some trades. but I'll not live stream. Between Christmas and New Year, maybe we'll do some live streams. I'll discuss with Stefan and see what we can do. After the New Year, we'll start strong. Okay? Okay. See you people next time. Bye bye.